Welcome back to Miriyoram. In the Dr. Kumarana. He's a PhD, he's wellness and lifestyle consultant, astronumerologist, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. He's traveled all over the world. He's met by celebrities and film stars. In the studio to advise you. You can definitely call us at 052961133. The SMS number is 3537. Dr. Kumarana, if you need his personal assistance or guidance, you can definitely contact Mr. Kiran, and the contact number is 0502724157. All right. Okay, doctor, we can go to another SMS.
Yes.
It's from Binita, and she's asked about her marriage, her job. Okay, before that we have a caller with us.
Okay.
Hello, good afternoon, namaskaram.
Hello.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Aara samsarikkunne?
Srijit ആണ്.
Srijit, okay. Parnolu, date of birth varu Srijit?
23/5/1979.
Okay. Time?
6:20 p.m.
Okay. എവിടെയാണ് ജനിച്ചത്?
തൃശ്ശൂർ.
Okay. എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ?
കരിയറിനെ കുറിച്ചും പിന്നെ ഫാമിലി ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ സ്റ്റേറ്റസ്.
Okay. Wants to know about his career and financial status and family. Yes.
Okay, you are Mesh Rashi and Ashwati Nakshatra.
Yes sir.
Yeah. And presently, okay, you have Ardha Shani going on. It's just started on 2nd November 2014 and it will be up till October 2017.
Okay.
You have one dosham, Sarpa dosham. Have you done the necessary prayers in your native place?
No, not for Sarpadoshan.
Okay, please do the needful.
Right, sir.
Yeah, please do that. You can contact them and they will tell you what to do. But please do it. Otherwise, you will keep on getting small obstacles, and at the last moment the things will go just in the reverse direction. Has it happened to you earlier?
Yes, quite a lot of times.
Yeah, lot of times, correct. Because everything will get confirmed 99%, but that 1% will not happen, and it will be again zero. Correct?
It's because of the Sarpadoshan, sir?
Yeah, this is also because of the Sarpadoshan. It's one of the reasons, I can say. Not only for this, but it can be one of the reasons also at the same time.
And sir, I just changed the job 6 months back.
Okay.
The previous job, I had some issues there.
Okay.
And I had some conflicts and I had to get out.
Okay.
And then luckily I got a job.
Okay.
A new job. But how will it go, sir? I mean, how is the career aspect?
Okay, but this job also I think is average for you, correct? The present job?
Yeah, it is not a great job.
It's not a great job. I will say average. I will not say yeah, correct. We can say just an average job. You see, you have to just sacrifice and just go along with this job for some time. At least you can say up till 2015. I can see 2016 there is a you can say growth or promotion, or you can say increment, whatever it is, maybe in this job or another job. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
And family?
Yeah. So family, what you want to ask about family?
Sir, about kids and about wife.
Yeah. That family life is average. Nothing to get disturbed regarding the same. Just concentrate more on your job. And plus I will advise you some remedies which can give you a good job satisfaction in 2016. Otherwise, and plus this prayer which I told you, see that you do it immediately.
Yes, sir.
And it is not been done in a proxy way, so you should be present personally. So whenever, as and when, just commit to yourself, and whenever it is possible, whenever you go to your native place, please do the necessary things. Now I will tell you.
Sure.
Yeah, your dasha is Chandrama dasha, moon dasha going on up till 2018. Try to donate white things, white color, like milk, curd, rice. Okay, look at the moon on a full moon day always, just for maybe even 5 seconds or 10 seconds, whatever you can bear it on the full moon day.
I'll not lose my job or anything, right? So there won't be any career obstacle.
No, don't worry. You see, as I told you, if you do the remedies, then you can wave out all these negativities, thoughts.
Sure,
basically. See, ultimately there is a thought, a fear is there. As I have explained before also, there are 3 things common from the Stone Age. That is food, sleep and fear, which is common between human beings and animals also at the same time. So once you do the remedy, the fear will go down. Your confidence level will go up. It's basically the fear of job, fear of success, whatever, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
True.
if you do the remedies, the fear will go down, your confidence level will goes up. You think positive, and subsequently you try to attract positive things in life. It's that way. This is what is works.
Thank
Well,
you.
this is the way how the remedies work. You know, that's why I keep on repeating.
Sharing,
sharing actually, sharing these things. Now you should go for a blue quartz crystal one. Your prosperity pendant number is 7.
Yeah, sir.
And 7 is considered to be number of creation. I have also explained 7 days of the week, 7 wonders of the world, 7 continents, 7 seas, etc. As I told you, donate water also at the same time wherever possible, and even if you donate water to the birds, it is also very good for you.
Yes, sir.
And sponsor a pilgrimage tour of anybody, you know, basically unknown person. You can sponsor a pilgrimage tour of anybody, you know, who would like to go. Plus feed 5 poor people weekly. 5 poor people weekly on every Saturday.
Sure.
And
Okay.
yes, every Saturday. And be a vegetarian on Saturday and Thursday.
Thursday and Saturday. Sure.
Thursday, do not give loan, avoid haircut, avoid nail cut, avoid shampoo, and at home for your prosperity, avoid washing machine. Do not wash clothes on Thursday. That is basically for your house prospect. Do you like it?
No problem.
It's just sacrificing, nothing else. It's just sacrificing a little bit of yourself and committing yourself. And I think if you do these remedies, I think within 60 to 90 days you will get good results also, or you will at least have peace of mind.
Thank you.
Okay?
Okay,
Thank
thanks
you,
a
bye.
lot for calling, Srijit. Alright, doctor. We were actually reading SMS out. It's from Benita.
Yeah.
Named Chinnu also. She wants to know about her marriage, her government job, health, and her date of birth is 4th October 1986. The time is not mentioned, but it's set morning, and she's born in Alleppey.
Okay,
Kerala.
I've just taken the details as morning,
Okay.
and
Since the exact time is not there.
exact time is not there. So Kanya Rashi, the Atam Nakshatra, Kantaka Shani is going on. It is just going on, and plus the prosperity pendant number is 3. She should fast on Monday. Marriage is approximately, you can say, at the age of 29 and a half. And government job is difficult to get because you have to struggle a lot, because even if you get a government job, maybe that permanency is not there, you know. So I would like you to do some remedies. This is your prosperity number 3. You can fast on Monday. Favorable day is Thursday. You should always wear yellow color on Thursday, because your dasha is good. Actually, it is dasha is Guru Vyam dasha up till 2025. And even as I told you, keep a fast on Monday. Either lunch or dinner you can have. Plus donate fruits in the old age home. And even if you donate yellow color fruit or food on every Thursday to maybe 2 or 3 people, I think this would give you very good results. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, doctor. So Benita SMS and uttram ലഭിച്ചു എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. We have a caller with us. Hello, good afternoon. നമസ്കാരം. മീഡിയത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
നമസ്കാരം.
ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്? ആരാ?
ഷീജ.
ഷീജ. ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ഷീജയെ കുറിച്ചാണോ അറിയണ്ടേ?
അതെ അതെ.
ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് 9/12/1965.
ഓക്കെ, ടൈം?
ടൈം 6:15 6:15 AM.
ഓക്കെ, 6:15 AM. ഓക്കെ, കേരള. എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ ഷീജ?
ഫ്യൂച്ചറും ഹെൽത്തും പിന്നെ വീട് വാങ്ങിയിട്ടുള്ളതുണ്ട്. അതിന് പറ്റിയ സമയമാണോ അത് എന്നത്തേക്കാണെന്ന് അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്.
Okay, she wants to know about her future health, and they're also planning to buy a house in Kerala.
Okay.
She would like to know when is the time for that.
Okay, she is Vrishabh Rashi.
Okay.
And the nakshatra is, I think, Makiyam nakshatra, I think so.
Okay.
Yes, Makiyam nakshatra. And presently you don't have any Ardha Shani, no Kantaka Shani. The dasha which you are going through is Shani dasha up till 2023. Started on October 2004 and it is up till October 2023. So regarding the house, I think you should postpone it to end of 2015.
2015.
Yes, and 2015 is quite favorable for you to get a, what to say, or to buy a good house, you know. Otherwise you can be misguided before that, you know, because the dasha little changes in September 2015. The dasha will change, you know. Now it is Shani and Surya, which are father and son, and they don't get along easily. So I will advise you basically October 2015 or November 2015 is a good period to buy the property, land, property, whatever it is.
So what about my health conditions?
Yeah, health condition, I can see that do you have any joints or bones problem?
Yeah, I have.
You have, correct? Yes, I think you should take intake of water. You should increase the intake of water. One thing is that, and plus you should do some yoga and meditation also at the same time for the same. And
Yeah, I'm doing yoga and all.
you're doing yoga, okay.
Yeah,
Try to be little regular, and even the breathing techniques, you know, the pranayams,
yeah.
yeah, that you do. And the right way to do is to you go in the garden, you know,
Yeah.
early morning. The climate is also very good. If you do that there, it will give you more benefit, because you know the plants are opposite. You know, we intake oxygen, given carbon dioxide. They take in carbon dioxide and they give oxygen in the morning, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, plus you can walk morning on the green grass before but it should be before sunrise or at the time of sunrise, you know,
Okay.
because dew drops are there. That will also help you, you know, to for the basically bones problem. You should take intake of calcium also at the same time. And the remedies which I will tell you is take bath with milk, a little milk in the bucket every Monday.
Okay.
Okay, and even you can be vegetarian on Monday and Thursday.
Okay.
You can wear a aquamarine crystal and a prosperity pendant number 9. These both things will also help you health wise also.
Okay.
And if possible to wear Rudrasham, you can go for 13 mukhi, 13 faced Rudrash if possible. And if you can say sponsor a wedding of a kanya, that is a girl, to whatever
Okay.
extent you can. Not a full wedding maybe, but a part of it, whatever your pocket says. This you should do once in every 5 years. Every 5 years you should do this. And even the last one is like, if you can plant trees once in a year, you know, whenever you get an opportunity, wherever is possible, here or in India, if you can plant 2 or 3 trees once in a year, averagely, that will help you also regarding your health and your prospects.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Okay,
bye.
thanks a lot for calling. All right, doctor, we'll go to another SMS.
Yes.
It's from Binsi. She's from Abu Dhabi. She's a postgraduate in engineering. Now she doesn't have a job. She is into a lot of problems, so she would like some advices. She would like to know about her future, family, finance, and job. Star is Ashwati. Her date of birth is 7/5/1986. Time is 9 p.m. Place of birth is Kodamangalam, Kerala. Also, she's mentioned that earlier she had sent mails. Yes, കുറേ നാൾ മുമ്പ് ബിൻസി മെയിൽ അയച്ചു, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കഴിഞ്ഞ ആഴ്ച അയച്ചു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഇവിടെ വന്നു. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് എല്ലാ മെയിൽസും വായിക്കാൻ സാധ്യതയില്ല. So today we have taken your SMS. So I hope you're watching this. Yes.
Okay, your Mesh Rashi, Ashwati Nakshatra, and your Ardhashani is going on, just started, you know, actually in 2014. So you have to bear up till October 2017. The Dasha is Moon Dasha, Chandrama Dasha, not a problem. There will be disturbance in the relationship and even obstacles in the job during this period. And regarding the same, I will just advise you some remedies, because you have even Shani, and you know, like it just started. So if you're going through all these things, I think mid of next year, if you do all these remedies mid of next year, I think you can attract job prospects for you. Your prosperity pendant number is 7. You can go for aquamarine crystal, plus you should feed the pigeons continuous for 43 days with cherupere, green whole moong, and after that 43 days with yellow moong dal. So 43 plus 43 days. And even donate food or clothes to the orphanage. See that you don't donate money. And if you feed the ants, you have to feed the ants with sugar plus coconut powder mixed with that daily, at least 7 to 8 trees, daily 7 to 8 trees for 43 days. I think that would give you good results regarding the same. Thank
Okay,
you.
yeah. Thank you, doctor. We have a caller with us. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
ഹലോ സോണിയാണ്.
സോണിയ പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്
സോണിയെ കുറിച്ചല്ലേ അറിയണ്ടേ?
അതെ.
ഓക്കെ, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
August 6, 1986.
ഓക്കെ, ടൈം?
ടൈം അറിയത്തില്ല, ഞാൻ ആയില്ലാന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു.
Okay, she doesn't know her time. She thinks her nakshatram is Ailyam. രാവിലെയാണോ ഈവനിങ് അതും അറിയില്ലേ?
Approximate time she doesn't know.
She doesn't know. She's telling it. She thinks it's Ailyam. She's not sure. നക്ഷത്രവും ഉറപ്പില്ലല്ലോ അല്ലേ ആയില്യമാണെന്ന്? Okay, she's sure that her nakshatram is Ailyam, but she doesn't know the time.
Okay, I will just put morning time and just check, because if the nakshatra is coming, then only I can help you out.
Yes, okay.
Otherwise, I will just help you with the numerology part
Okay,
of it.
okay, fine. Okay, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. എന്താ അറിയേണ്ടത്?
ഫ്യൂച്ചറും കരിയർ.
Okay.
Okay, Aslisha, Alyam. Okay, you are born in the morning. Your Karka Rashi and Aslisha Nakshatra. That is Alyam Nakshatra. Yeah, you are born in morning. Just keep a note that you are born in the morning, and you had Ardha Shani, which is just finished in November 2014. And your dasha which is you are going through is presently Shukram dasha up till 2021. So what you would like to know now?
She wants to know about future.
My career, finance, and
Okay,
family life.
okay, you are working now,
No, I'm not working now.
but you would like to work.
Yeah.
Okay, then only the finances will come,
No, what? What?
Oh, no, if you work, then only the finances will come, then only the money will come in,
Yeah.
Correct. I think you should start working, because you see the Shani period, Ardha Shani is already gone, So
Yeah.
you had a lot of, you can say, struggles and obstacles regarding the same for last 2.5 years, correct?
Yes.
Even I think you did not, you were trying for the job and you could not get it, correct?
I got a job. I worked for 2 years.
Yeah, but then what happened?
Then I stopped it.
Stop it. I think from March, April, you can start looking for a job and you will get a nice, favorable job of your choice. I think you left the job because it was not of your choice,
Yeah.
Yeah. So now I think March, April, you will get a job of your choice. I will tell you some remedies. Just I think you should do this. Donate black color items to the poor, like black bag, umbrella, raincoat, or black shoes.
Okay.
Even you can donate school uniforms to the needy children, and school
Okay.
books also, not educational books, only school books,
Okay.
because educational books can be apart from the story books also, but you should donate only school books.
Okay.
You can wear you can say rose quartz crystal, your prosperity rose quartz crystal,
Okay.
your prosperity pendant number is 7,
Okay.
and
My
yes,
best color?
yeah, your color is green and orange.
Green and orange.
Yes, day is Wednesday, and if you
Okay.
can keep a fast on Wednesday, I think that would be better. And
Okay.
even on you can say on Friday, you could donate white color items, as sugar, rice, or yogurt.
On Friday?
Yes, on Friday. Friday is basically
Then
white.
Black color items then?
You can wear black occasionally, not regularly.
Okay.
You can wear black, but occasionally it is not so harmful for you.
Okay.
And even you can feed the cat,
Okay.
you can feed the cat daily for 7 days,
Okay.
and then only daily for 7 days, and then only on Saturday and Tuesday with cat food.
Okay.
With cat food. And if you get a black cat, it is better.
Okay.
But otherwise, if you don't get a black cat, don't get disappointed. You will
Okay.
you will be rewarded of your good deeds.
Okay.
Okay.
I just want to know about my financial status. How
Financial
to do it.
status, once you get a job of your choice, I think end of 2015 or early 2016, you will be financially sound, and you'll call me and tell me that you are financially sound in that time. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, bye.
Okay, thanks a lot for calling. Doctor, we'll go to another SMS.
I think
It's-
this is the one we should take.
Okay,
Yes, they have the,
okay. Chinnu.
yeah, Chinu.
Okay, she's working as a dentist in Abu
Yeah,
Dhabi.
yeah.
She would like to know about her general life, career and health. She's born on September 2nd, 1987
Yeah.
in Kerala between 5 and 5:30 p.m.
Yeah, Chinchu, Dr. Chinchu.
Yes.
She's dentist
Yes.
in Abu Dhabi. Okay, you are Dhanu Rashi, Moolam Nakshatra, but your Kantaka Shani is just started. For your information, on November 2014, it will be up till January 2023. So I think you have not been very, very successful in medical field, but I think I will just advise you do some remedies. You can be very, very successful as a dentist. First of all, you have Chavadosham. For you, you should do necessary prayers. You have Ravi Dasha going on in your Jatakam and up till February 2019. I think if you can organize, organize a free vaccination camp, what you call vaccination,
Yes.
or you can donate some vaccination. You know, a lot of people have been donating food, clothes, but I think very few people have been concentrating on vaccination.
Vaccination,
you know.
yes.
So I think if you want, you can say success in your profession, I think you should do some or organize a donation of vaccination. It is always said prevention is better than cure.
Cure,
So
yes.
this is like preventing the disease coming up.
Yes.
So you can organize a vaccination group, how it is, sponsor it or get it organized. That will help you, and even you can see that it is sincerely donated. Vaccines are sincerely get donation from somewhere, and you can just work as a middleman. Help to get donations for the vaccines to the hospitals or wherever it is necessary. You have to feed 11 poor people every month on Saturday. 11 poor people every month on every Saturday, and plus your prosperity pendant number is 1. You will be doctor number 1. So it is your prosperity pendant number 1. You should wear a citrine quartz crystal, and if you can keep a fast every Saturday, and I think that would give you good results and success in your own profession.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. So, Chinchu, I hope you got the answer to your SMS already. We have a caller with us. Hello, Namaskaram.
Hello.
Yes. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
എന്റെ പേര് ഷാരോൺ എന്നാണ്.
ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
2nd December
ഓക്കെ.
1992.
ഓക്കെ. ടൈം?
Time 5:59 AM.
പ്ലേസ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്?
കേരള.
ഓക്കെ. എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ?
കേരള. എനിക്കൊരു ജോബ് കരിയറിനെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയാനാണ്.
Okay. He wants to know about his job and
Job and
career.
the career,
Yes.
Okay, Kumbh Rashi
Yes,
and Chatyam Nakshatra.
Sorry?
ചതയമാണോ നക്ഷത്രം?
അതെ.
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
no problem. You don't have presently Kantaka Shani or Ardha Shani. And what you are doing now?
Currently I am unemployed. I was graduated this June.
Graduated this June. But was your graduation delayed due to some reasons?
No.
Nothing. And you didn't want to study. Actually, you see, you have presently Guru Dasha up till 2017. But
20?
yeah, 2017 Vyam Dasha, Guru Dasha, Vyam Dasha.
Okay.
Yeah, it wouldn't be what you say problem, but like for first 2 years you have to struggle and you may not get the job of your choice.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to sacrifice yourself or adjust yourself for first 2 years, and after that I think by 2017 at the end or early 2017 you can get a good job of your choice. I think there are 1 or 2 planets weak. That is why I think you have been struggling for a job of a choice or a deserved job, I can say.
Okay.
Yeah. And
currently,
yes, and
currently I am unemployed.
yeah, and do not make haste in getting married at an early age.
Okay.
because
Okay.
you should be presently only career oriented.
Okay.
I will tell you some remedies which can make you more comfortable and try to face the difficulties. First of all, wear a silver chain, in your neck.
Silver chain.
Yes, even keep a small piece of round silver in your purse.
Okay.
Wear a prosperity pendant number 6.
Okay.
And you should also walk on the green grass in the morning.
Okay.
And even if you should keep in the north area of your living room or in your table crystal turtle and dolphin, crystal dolphin and crystal turtle in a small
Okay.
plate that should be in water.
Okay.
Okay, and if you can wear a rudrasham, that is number 1, that is ekmukhi rudrasham, that will also wave out lot of negativities and you can attract lot of prosperities in life.
Okay.
And I think for feeding, I would advise you, like you can go to orphanage and either do a free service there or take some fruits and distribute them personally. Don't just donate, but distribute them personally. That would give you very good results for you. Okay.
Doctor, can you just tell me when will I get a job in this nearby period?
Nearby today, you see, once you start doing these remedies, within 60 to 90 days you will start feeling good and you can attract, or your wishes can be fulfilled. So once you start this, you will start acting in that particular manner. As I told you, the fear will go down. I think if you are seeing this program from the beginning, these remedies basically your fear will go down. Once your fear will go down, you will have more confidence in yourself in giving interviews, etc., etc., or thinking positive, in short.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thanks a lot
Thank
for
you.
calling.
Okay.
All right, yes, doctor. So our time is almost over today.
Okay.
Once again, thanks a lot for
It's
being
my
on
pleasure.
Miriorum
It's my
and
pleasure.
being of help to our viewers.
It's
Thanks
my
a lot
pleasure
once
to
again.
serve NTV viewers.
യെസ് താങ്ക്സ് എ ലോട്ട് ഡോക്ടർ. ഓൾ റൈറ്റ്. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് നിരവധി SMS വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പം ഇന്ന് വായിക്കാൻ പറ്റാതിരുന്ന SMS ഒക്കെ അടുത്ത ആഴ്ച ഡോക്ടറോട് വരുമ്പോൾ അടുത്ത തേഴ്സ്ഡേ വായിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഇഫ് യു വോണ്ട് ടു കോൺടാക്ട് ഹിം ഡയറക്ട്ലി, ഡോക്ടറിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നേരിട്ട് പോയി ഡോക്ടറിൻ്റെ അസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഗൈഡൻസ് ഒക്കെ ആവശ്യമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ യു ക്യാൻ കോൾ മിസ്റ്റർ ക്യൂരൻ. ദ കോൺടാക്ട് നമ്പർ ഇസ് 0502724157. എല്ലാവർക്കും നല്ലൊരു വീക്കെൻഡ് ആശംസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ സാറ്റർഡേ വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും 2 to 3. Until then, it's me, Sharon. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Nandi, namaskaram.